Are you tired of working dead-end jobs? Are you able to make ends meet? Do you want to better your future? You can earn money doing what you love. Do you feel like you're just throwing away your money with the way today's inflation has taken over? Are you stressed out? Is this your current situation? You can't afford to wait. You can make the decision to do something about it today. Time will go by no matter what you are doing. Where do you see yourself in 5 or 10 years? Are you still stuck in the same situation, or do you do something about it now? It can be hard to know what you really want to do for a living. Are you struggling to decide on what kind of career you want? The medical and dental fields are in huge demand. There is a shortage of certified employees. Either of these career fields would be an amazing opportunity. You must make good choices and follow through. Time is of the essence. You must make some important decisions soon. You may be asking, how can I know what skills I need to learn? How do I choose the right school for me? How do I find the time? How can I afford it? You can do this. We have faith in you. You don't have time to waste. If you continue to wait, you will remain in the same situation in every aspect of your life, or worse. Waiting is your enemy. Never let anything get in your way of success. It can be scary to make changes. Maybe you just need a little encouragement. Sometimes it can be good to lean on a friend, or you can lean on us here at Coastal Medical Training Institute. Go ahead and open that door to more opportunities now. Don't wait. We are right on the other side of that door, providing you with the opportunity to change your life starting today. It's as easy as making one phone call. Get real with yourself and make those small temporary sacrifices so you can learn a skill, get certified, and start earning the money you need and the respect you deserve. Study to become a dental assistant or a medical assistant. You can become a phlebotomy technician or an EKG technician in just a few short weeks. Our courses are available online nationwide. We are proud to say that Coastal Medical Training Institute is the very first licensed online proprietary school in the state of Mississippi. We are the leader in online education. Get training today by us. We are the experts. Do you need information? Visit our website at cmtitraining.com for more information today. Our website is full of great details about each of the courses we offer. Registration is free right now, so go ahead and get started while you are visiting our website. You can start for as little as $43 today. Just take that first step across the starting line and get started today. We are here to help. That first step is always the hardest, but we are here to make it easy for you in every way possible. We are here for you throughout your time with Coastal Medical Training Institute. We care about each and every one of our students. If you are worried that it will take forever to complete any of our courses, don't be. Courses can be completed between 8 and 14 weeks. Once you have successfully completed your course, you will be fully prepared to sit for your national certification exam. Coastal Medical Training Institute offers several payment options. We provide excellent quality courses with very low tuition fees. We strive to reach people that really need us and provide and guide each student with everything they need to become successful. In just a few short weeks, you will be crossing the finish line and starting your new career. With Coastal Medical Training Institute, you will feel confident in your newfound skills and in obtaining a job in your new career field. Amazing opportunities like this just don't happen every day, so don't wait another minute. Get started today.